Good day all. We are continuing with the general arithmetic, understanding numbers. Today we are looking at fractions. You will notice that fractions are expressed as a number that is divided by another number. Take for example 2 over 3 or 2 divided by 3. The top part of the fraction is the numerator, the bottom part is the denominator. Now if we have 2 over 3 and then we have 1 over 3, that's 2/3 and 1/3. You will see they share the same denominator, but because the numerator on 1/3 is less than 2, the numerator on 2/3, it makes 1/3 smaller than 2/3. But now if they share the same numerator but different denominators, like comparing 1/3 and 1/4, 1/4 is 1 over 4, you will notice that 1/3 is actually larger than 1/4, just because the numerator is in 1/4 is larger. You can check that by calculator. We have got different types of fractions. We will just focus on two main types, that is improper fraction, where the numerator is larger than the denominator. So we have got 5 over 2, and then we have got 5 over 3, 4 over 3. You will notice that 5 over 2 is larger than 5 over 3. 5 over 3 is larger than 4 over 3. Same reasons that I said before. Then we have got mixed numbers, 2.5, which is obviously larger than 1 and 2/3, because 2 is larger than 1. And then we have got 1 and 1/3, which is smaller than 1 and 2/3, because 2/3 is larger than 1/3. We'll have examples where we convert between improper fractions and mixed numbers. You need to be able to convert between the two. Let's take for example 5 and 1/3. How do we convert 5 and 1/3? We can see this is a mixed number. We want to convert it into a fraction, most likely an improper fraction. So we take the natural number, then we multiply it by 3, we multiply it by the denominator, and then add the numerator. The natural number multiplied by the denominator, then add the numerator, then divide by the denominator. So it becomes 5 times 3 plus 1, which is 16, divided by 3. So we get an improper fraction, which is 16 over 3. Let's look for a second example, which is 2.5. So the natural number multiplied by the denominator and add the numerator. So we'll have 2 by 2 plus 1, which gives us 5, then divide by the denominator. Now let's convert an improper fraction into a mixed number, which is rather simple. We just divide 4 into the denominator into the numerator. So 4 into 23 is 5. Then the remainder forms the numerator with the denominator and using the denominator. Then 4 over 3. So it's 3 into 4, which is 1. Remainder 1. So the remainder will form the numerator. So it becomes 1 and 1/3. So this is